Welcome to beautifully appointed and well cared for townhouse-style condo inside the Beltway in Alexandria's sought-after Overlook community. The open, inviting floor plan has limitless possibilities. Lots of windows. The kitchen features white quartz countertops, stainless steel appliances, recessed lights, pantry and raised bar top with room for 2 people. The master bathroom has an elongated double sink vanity for additional storage and a separate soaking tub and shower. The second bedroom features an ensuite full bath. A garage is big enough to accommodate the largest SUV along with tons of room left for storage. Crown molding throughout. Laundry room with extra storage. Please contact Ronnie at 7038998999 for private open house.